You think lentils are boring? Today I'm using a method most people never think to try. Start by sauteing one small diced onion, then one small diced bell pepper. Give everything a good stir and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then 3 cloves of minced garlic, cook for about 30 seconds. Then adding our Mediterranean seasoning. I have the recipe in the description below. Then 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. The tomato paste deepens the flavor while the spices create that warm Mediterranean character. Now I'm using a cup of dry brown lentils that I have rinsed and soaked ahead of time, about 2 hours or so, to speed things up a bit. Now give the lentils a good stir so they get coated with all those flavors. Most people would add the broth immediately. I like to give the lentils a quick head start in the skillet first, just about 30 seconds or so. It's a small step, but it adds another layer of flavors. Now pour in 3 cups of low sodium vegetable broth and mix everything well. Okay, now lower the heat and cover and simmer until the lentils are tender, about 20 to 25 minutes, but be patient because times varies. Once the lentils are tender and most of the liquid has been absorbed, we'll move to the next step. Stir occasionally and monitor the lentils as they absorb the broth and become tender. Now here's a sample of perfect results. And trust me, the next step, the final few ingredients, completely change this dish. Then I'm adding 1 cup of cherry tomatoes halved and about 2 cups of baby spinach. Cook for about 2 minutes or until spinach wilts, and then add the juice of half a lemon. You know, with tender lentils, colorful vegetables, and bold Mediterranean flavors, this hearty skillet proves that eating well doesn't have to be expensive. Now top with some crumbled feta cheese, optional, and some fresh chopped parsley. And one thing I really love about this skillet is that it tastes even better the next day. Make a batch today and you'll have a delicious Mediterranean meal ready for several days if you're by yourself. The lentils bring plenty of protein, fiber, and a wonderful earthy richness that makes this feel like a real dinner, not just a side dish. And that's exactly what we set out to do today. Well, if you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy Mediterranean one-pan meals. And if you're looking for another healthy skillet dinner, check out my other videos on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for cooking with me. I will see you in the next one. Until then, as always, stay healthy and take care.